What up, dog? With a W. Dog. Oh, my Lord. It's Monday. Happy Monday. Typewriter Series 435 today for your sleepy, still living in the weekend selves. Good luck this week. It's going to be over 100 degrees for like 3 or 4 straight days here. So wish us luck. Here's your wee paper. Looks like this on the front. College ruled paper. On the back, it looks like this. I don't know what this is. It looks like a sex toy, and this looks like maybe a squid's centipede cousin. Kids these days. It's a short poem. Hope you like it. I just need my skin to be touching your skin right this very instant. True. Love you a lot. Have a good day.